Since we have fractions hiding on the left side, let's start working on that side. Remember that tangent of x and cotangent of x can be expressed in terms of sine of x and cosine of x. Once you make those substitutions, you have the left side rewritten like this. Let's bring that up to the top to give us more space to work. Now notice there is cosine of x divided by cosine of x. Here it's shown in yellow. Since anything divided by itself is 1, and 1 multiplied by anything is itself, we can cancel the cosine of x divided by cosine of x out. Now let's rewrite the problem. And now we see that we can distribute the sine of x outside the parentheses to the first term and then to the second term within the parentheses, which gives us the sine of x times the cosine of x divided by the sine of x plus the sine of x squared. You can cancel out the sine of x divided by the sine of x, leaving us with cosine of x plus the sine of x squared, which means the left side is equal to the right side, so the identity has been proven.